We think the future. We design the future. We create the future. We know that every detail matters, and the smallest part can be the most important. We know that every journey starts with an idea, and sometimes it takes great determination to complete it. Edbak manufactures metal components for various industries, machinery, transport, and metals. On behalf of our clients, we manufacture complete welded and machined products. Alongside this, we provide comprehensive services in the field of sheet metal, pipe and profile machining, laser cutting, machine cutting on CNC machines, surface treatment, and assembly. We are constantly improving ourselves, setting the bar higher and higher, not only at the technological level, but above all at the business level. Our modern production capabilities allow us to stay at the forefront of industry trends and cater to the evolving needs of our customers. By combining our expertise with advanced technology, we consistently deliver products that are not only innovative but also incredibly efficient. In conclusion, Edbak stands as a beacon of quality, precision, and innovation. With our extensive industry experience, unwavering commitment to excellence, cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities, and international contracts, we are the leading provider of the finest solutions available on the market today. Join us on this exciting journey as we continue to shape the future of technology and redefine the possibilities. Edbak, where excellence meets innovation. We are Edbak. How can we help you?